Everybody, Troy from Troy's Hobbies back again for another unboxing installation, and then we'll finish with see how it looks in my old kitchen. Anyways, the wife ordered this. We got rid of the dishwasher. In fact, it's in the trash behind. We have a portable dishwasher because it's an older 1980 home and we don't have a lot of space and do not have the funds to redo the entire kitchen. So instead of we decided to go back to good old hand washing. These damn portable dishwashers are $600-700. They're more expensive than the ones that you push into the cabinet. Anyways, but we needed counter space because we have a small galley kitchen. You'll see it at the end of the video. But anyways, we needed more storage and countertop. And the top of this is about the same dimension as the top of my dishwasher. That was nice. We used the top of the dishwasher as a cutting board. So, in fact, I'll go over and show you the old dishwasher. I just got the paper there to cover up my address. But this is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I was going to buy through Amazon, and the wife goes, "Oh no, those look kind of tacky and cheap. This one's a little more fancy." So this is a kitchen cart with one door. So we're going to install it in my living room. It's wet. It's cold out here. But it's just, there's a break in the rain today, which we're enjoying. I'll show you the dishwasher really quick. The pump went out. And I live so far out in the country. I used to have Sears whole house warranty, and nobody would come out. They had an open ticket on it. And this was almost $700, and it lasted maybe 3 years. And of course, Sears is out of business. The warranty service is still in business, but we cannot get Sears warranty out here to fix it. This is a Kenmore. But anyways, the top of that cabinet's roughly the dimensions. Looks brand new, but yeah, it's dead. It's not worth trying to fix it and replace it. The parts for it, it's a pain in the ass. 60 miles away from the nearest city. 1980s. The only thing that's newer is the fridge and the stove. But this is built by Sears. This is a Sears home, galley kitchen. It's really small, so I'm going back to hand washing. Original. These are Sears. The whole thing this is all Sears. Anyways. We used to leave the portable, it used to stick out about 25 inches around here. So we only had this much gap to walk around. But it was nice because we have extra counter space. So that's where and that's a moving cart, so we can move it out of the way. So when we don't need it, we can push it out into the dining room area so we have more walkway. But as you can see, I'm hoping that some of the stuff here I can put in the storage underneath and free up some counter space. I got a lot of stuff. Right, we went ahead and opened it up because there is some outside packaging damage. But it is covered with foam, so we're just inspecting it. Boy, it's not even out of the box. I'm loving the color. We paid for this. This is not sponsored or anything like that. If you see a link down below, it is unaffiliated, so I get no money. If it's something I like, I'm going to, of course, post a link and share it with all of you just in case you're interested. But yeah, this is quality wood. I'm glad I didn't buy from Amazon. Show you what it looks like. First off, it's not even together. It looks like real furniture. As we were pulling it out of the box, we were taking a look at each item, making sure nothing was damaged. As you can tell, they use a lot of foam. But in the box here, you have what we needed so you could roll away with it. It's locking casters. Someone had smarts. They tied a piece of string here, and then they actually, during the boxing process, actually taped this to the tape or the packaging itself, so it didn't wander off and disappear. And then each package is labeled. So this is particle board, and it looks so real. Man, the one I was going to go with on Amazon looked like particle board. I'm glad the wife went with this. Like I said, this is all paid for with my wife's money, not mine. Look at that. He's already putting it together. I'll let him handle it and just videotape. But the instructions, take your time. We don't want to break anything. As you can see there, let me get over here. Really easy to follow. I'm gonna go ahead and hand that back to him. It looks like he's got this down. It looks like real furniture, and you can tell it's particle board, pressed board. Metal rails. Let's go ahead and show that now before it's all together. Looking for plastic in there. No, I see a little backstop is plastic. But besides that, all metal. Looks like it has a little key slot. So they have little keys. So when he pulls the next part, but you basically put it in top, and then when you drop it down, gravity locks it in place where it's narrow there. Yeah, this is the first time we bought a product like that uses this type of locking system. Put one board upside down, he corrected it. Just putting the casters in, just screw it in. You don't have to worry about putting the handle on, the magnets. I usually get the magnets all messed up. They're already installed. Link will be down in description, and it's non-affiliated. I have nothing to do with Bed Bath & Beyond. I wish I did, but I don't. Well, there it is, folks. Took my son, and only my son. I ended up just going cleaning the kitchen. Besides needing 2 people to bring it in the house, because we installed it in the house. That's about it. He took charge and did it himself. And by the way, this already beats IKEA, Walmart, Kmart, and whatever other furniture store for assembly. Took you about, what, 30 minutes? Mm-hmm. Roughly. That was taking his time, not rushing. And he only used, show him what you used for the entire project. Bring it over here. Phillips screwdriver, that's it. Show you really quick. It has one all metal slider. Cabinet, no, not cabinet, drawer. Nice pattern weave. It's see-through, so if you put anything here that might be a little damp, air can escape. You got airflow. So you got two drawers, one drawer, 2 shelves, 1 and 2.
You can adjust.
Are they adjustable?
You can take out the little notch things there and move this up.
Okay, so he says this one's adjustable. I'll take his word for it. So we'll take off the stickers later, but it says front. But yeah, this is looking good. Let me turn on the light. There you go. You can see in there. But there must be a pin or something, he said here, to make it. Oh yeah, see, there it is. So you got little holes on the side. You can adjust it if you want it higher or lower. All right. I tell you, this feels substantial, but with the casters, here I am, one hand moving it around. Show them the table. So you got it. We have it extended now. Look at that. I'll show you what it looks like underneath. Show them what you can do if you need the extra room. Push that in, and now it drops down. There it is. Yeah, that is so nice. It looks better than my kitchen, my old kitchen. It's not going to match in my kitchen. Once I have the money, I'm going to redo the entire kitchen. But does this come out?
No.
Is this just a handle?
Just a handle.
So you can put your towel or something there. I thought maybe it was for paper. I thought this was for a paper roll, but you can put a towel or something hang from there. But there it is. Let's go ahead and roll it in. Let's go ahead and leave that down. Gonna put it in the kitchen. Here I am doing it one-handed. Flip it around. Now I believe this is going to be a little taller. I think this is 36 inches high. Information, the specs are down below. I think my cabinet, my old cabinet, this is 35, so it's somewhere around there. So I know it doesn't match, but my dishwasher came out to here. So we have about the same. It's a little taller. I think this is 35 inches. So this is a little taller with the casters, but now we have a little more workspace. And then also, if we need more, show them what you can do. That is so nice. And this doesn't feel flimsy, by the way. So if you have 2 people, you need more tabletop room and 2 people to work up here prepping, you know, in the kitchen or wherever you're going to have this. Maybe somewhere in the dining room for, this would be a nice spot if you had like a coffee and espresso machine up here. You can have this somewhere else, but this is what we're using it for. Yeah, that's fantastic. Link will be down below. Like I said, it's better than my old kitchen. That is so nice. So we're gonna go ahead and fill it up, get some of this junk off the counters and put it in here. Just bought a replacement rice cooker, a bigger one. That's a perfect spot. We don't use it a lot. So that's a perfect spot. It's right down there, out of the way. Find more stuff to hide later on. That is it, folks. Yeah, a lot of room. I can fit a few more stuff in there. Well, everybody, back. It is the next day. Just wanted to show you and finish this video out before I edit and post it. I do everything on my mobile phone. I live out in the country, no Wi-Fi, so editing, video, everything through my phone. I try and use my Canon M50, but most of the time it's easier to use this phone. There's the towel. Simple. I kind of use it as a handle. Probably shouldn't, but to lug it around. But yeah, extra spatulas and stuff that I didn't have room for. I put it in there, and then down here, the bottom is big. If you have one of these Instapots, you know how big these are. And I got that in there and a full size. That's like a 16 cup rice cooker. And then I have my little Korean hot pot scava up there, and I still got some room. That's it, folks. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you're interested in my channel. Small channel. I appreciate every sub I get. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.